So in this video, I'll be showing you how to reduce the waist of a trouser, or generally how to reduce a very wide trouser, very big trouser. Now, the waist of this trouser is about, measuring it is about it's about 42. It's about 42, and I want to reduce it to the maybe 33, 34, or 32 as much as possible. I want to reduce it as much as possible. So the first thing I'm actually going to do is that I have loosed it the way I have done. You can see it here. This is the first thing I'm going to do now. I have removed all the belt straps. Now I'm going to create a dart somewhere around here. I don't want it to look too bulky. So because of that, I am going to open up this band so that it will not look too bulky. So let me open up this band so that it does not look too bulky. So when you are doing it, you have to be very careful so that the cloth itself is not damaged. So I'm going to create a dart at the center here, and I'm going to do it such that it will become a design. It will not just be a dart like you see in the old traditional trouser. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to follow this somewhere around this gator that has been on the clothes initially. So I fold the cloth into two like this. So I'm going to iron it down. So I'm going to iron it down so that I can create a line. The iron is not very hot, but it's not something serious. So I'm also going to lose this one. I'm going to lose this place because I just want it to look like it's the original design from the scratch. I don't want it to look like it's something. I don't want it to look like it's something that has been amended. So I'm also going to lose. I'm going to lose this place. So I'll put the gator down. Iron down the gator. Okay. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side too. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side too. Yeah. So now I'll go to the sewing machine and then from the inner part of it, from this inner part of it, I am going to sew it down. So I'm going to sew down this gator. So I'm taking about close to 1 inch down. That's what I'm taking. Just sewing it down straight. So I'm doing the same thing to the other side. Okay, just following it down, gradual. So now I'm going to top stitch it. So I'm going to top stitch it down from here. So I'm still on the process of sewing it. So I'm done with this side. I'll turn to the other side too. I'll sew it down. Now, can you see this? So it's like an original design on the clothes. So I'm going to do the same thing to this side too. So that's how I'm going to sew it down. But you always make sure that you are making use of a matching color. The thread should be a matching color thread. So I'm going to just run it down like that. So after I've done the sewing like that, I'll measure the tie and see if it is going to give me what I want. I think this is small enough, because there are limits to which you can actually adjust some of these clothes. Then this will be around 12, so it's fine. So this is the results we are getting. See this line? So the trouser is already well slim fitted. So you just do every other thing. I just cut some out of the back part of it here. I'll cut this other one too, then I'll join it. So now I'm going to measure this waist. I'm going to measure this weight and then I'll mark it. I'll take whatever I want to take out of this. So the darts in the front there has already drastically reduced it. So I'm now going to reduce some out of this back and then follow every other procedure. Put back the band and then fix every other thing into it. Okay, so now after doing all of those adjustments, let's see what this will turn out to be like. Initially it was 42 and 42. Let's see what I'll be getting. Okay, so I'm getting 36 and a half. So so what else can I do to still further reduce it? Now, the pockets here should not be too close either. If it becomes too close, the beauty of the trouser will be defeated. So what can I do here? So maybe I would go and hold it 2 inch extra, so that will make it 34 and a half. So if I say hold it 2 inch, I will still get something like this. So the pocket will not be disfigured since it's still a little bit wide. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Next, I'll go and hold it. So let me go to the machine and do that. Okay, so I've done that already. I hold it a little bit more. So you can see that it's drastically reduced. I've drastically reduced it. So I'll fix back the band. So it's as simple as that. So no one will ever know that it is adjusted.